welcome you watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 141st episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India Salesian province offers 4 films on Don Bosco and Salesian heroes. Father Anis Katti from Kerala gives details.
Over a 30-year period, Bangalore province ventured into 4 feature films on Salesian personalities. The movies include 2 films on Don Bosco and 1 each on Laura Vicuna and Mickey Magone. The films in Malayalam language of Kerala are movies produced for theatre as well as television. The films are also dubbed into several Indian languages including English. The first project of Bangalore province was Johnny, made in 1994, depicting the early life of Don Bosco. The 105-minute feature film received Kerala State Award for Best Children's Film. It is dubbed in 5 Indian languages and English. The second one is its sequel, Bosco, made in 2000. The 90-minute feature film is dubbed in 4 Indian languages and English. 35-minute short film Laura, made in 2014 on Blessed Laura Vicuna, is available in 5 Indian languages. The fourth cinema of 90-minute duration, made in 2017, named Mickey, is based on the life of Mickey Magone. It is available in 4 Indian languages and English.
Father Anis Katti reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.kanguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 91 98310 20945. India Salesian family holds free cancer camp. Father Joachim Fernandez reports from Mumbai.
In collaboration with Cancer Patients Aid Association, CPAA of Mumbai, Provincial Delegate for Salesian Family, Father Daigo Nunes, along with the Salesian cooperators and the Parish Pastoral Council members, organized the Cancer Diagnosis Camp on 15 January 2023 at Don Bosco, Naigaon. Some 150 people of all faiths attended the health camp conducted by a team of 15 paramedical professionals, doctors and nurses. Executive Director, Cancer Advocacy and Support at CPAA, Ms. Anita Peter, facilitated the camp. The healthcare team checked all present and also recommended added tests for further investigation to come. The evaluation of the reports will be presented to the concerned person through a follow-up, and financial assistance will be given by the CPAA Trust to the needy patients.
Father Joachim Fernandez reporting. Thailand school wins marching show band trophy. Father Ekase Thalakultron reports from Bangkok.
The brass band from Sarasit Pitayalai School, Banpong, participated in the 14th Thailand International Marching Competition 2022, the Royal Trophy League International Bands Competition of Thailand, held at the Central Plaza Shopping Mall, Ayutthaya Hall in Ayutthaya Province, from the 7th to 8th January 2023. At the end of the competition, the school received the championship trophy, marching show band category, high school level. Earlier in December 2022, Sarasit School won first place in the Marching Street Parade Division 1, gold medal, in the Thailand World Music Championships in Sisaket Province. The school also garnered 3 other medals in various categories. At present, the marching band of Sarasit School is composed of 47 high school students from 1 to 6 levels, 3 conductors, and training teachers. The Sarasit School Marching Band, founded in 1981, has won first place in the Division II category in 1998 at the World Marching Band Competition in London, England. Also world champion in 2003 at the World Association of Marching Show Bands in Monza, Italy.
Father Ekasitala Kultorn reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India altar servers hold rally. Youth leader Veronica Nelson D'Souza reports from Mumbai.
Don Bosco Youth Services Mumbai organized altar servers rally on 22nd January 2023. Some 230 altar servers from different parishes participated. The theme for the altar servers rally was Serve the Lord with Gladness. Father Ashley Miranda took a session explaining the significance and richness of the Holy Eucharist in a simple way. This was followed by theme presentations like song, dance, skit, which were put up by the altar servers of each parish. The theme presentations were interspersed with interesting spiritual games organized by the DBYS youth team. As accompaniment in one's vocation is an important aspect of youth ministry, Father Wellesley Bandia and the newly ordained priest, Father Kiran Ruptake, spoke to the children about finding one's vocation in life. The bright Vatican flag themed t-shirts added more color and excitement to the day.
Veronica Nelson D'Souza reporting. East Timor Pope's letter inspires alumni clean-up beach near Salesian Parish. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Delhi.
The Don Bosco Pass pupils in East Timor organized a general cleanup of beach in front of Motile Parish Church on 21st January 2023. They were inspired by the encyclical letter of Pope Francis, Laudato Si's, which uses Catholic social teachings' way of looking at things, the so-called See, Judge, Act method. Don Bosco Pass pupils resident in Delhi, the students of Saints Peter and Michael School, together with their teachers and some people of goodwill, carried out the initiative with full support of the national and local authority in Delhi, including the National Police. The activity was carried out under the mantra Don Bosco Hadomi Ambiente, which means Don Bosco loves the environment.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. Here's a special hip-hop homage to Don Bosco by student brothers from Salesian College, Siliguri, ahead of his feast day on 31st January. We are grateful to Father Gilberto Driussi and Roberto Bassetti, the authors of Da Mihi Animas song from Italy, and also to Salesian Youth Movement of Northern Philippines Province for English language rendition of the song.
You were praying ever since you were a child. You were dreaming, and you found that only kindness can get us anywhere. Like a father, you give shelter and hope to the young who are lost in the cold world. Through your eyes and through your hands, they knew God was there. My wish for you is to be truly happy. And I will wait for you to join me here for all eternity. so bigger than the sky. The only star is your guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Wisdom is simple yet so deep. Follow your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. God, give me their soul. Humble spirit, keep shining, leading the way on the path we've chosen. We can hear your words, they're like echoes in our soul. Look around you, see your children, these are the fruits of the gift you have given. And the seeds that you have sown will never stop to grow. My wish for you is to be truly happy, and you will join me here in paradise for all eternity. So bigger than the sky, the only star that's a guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Your wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. Until my last breath, my life's in your hands. As you have filled my whole heart with love and joy. And we sing Dani Animas, Dani Animas. Here's a soul bigger than the sky. The only star is a guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. Here's a soul bigger than the sky. The only star is a guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. Dani Animas, Dani Animas.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.